We have just come to the end of the ISMA conference, which comes at the very, very end of the very, very first ever International Stress Awareness Week. An amazing, amazing conference. Speakers, forums, debates, questions, workshops. I really look forward to the conference next year. I look forward to the team and I actually working together. We're all working with purpose, we're all working with commitment, and we aim to go forward and to continue the campaign.
It has been a wonderful conference, very well organized. Wonderful leadership by Carol.
Today was really important to me. It was my first ever ISMA conference. I juggle being a carer and a professional, and it gave me so many hints, tips, tools. It was just my sort of day. Instant value and value that I will share with the rest of my network. Thank you.
We've had a great day here at the ISMA conference today. I think it's wonderful that so many people are rallying together to talk about stress positively. The real learning for me here is that we know the data, we know there's an issue. We've got to start focusing on the inputs if we want to get better well-being and better mental health.
Absolutely fantastic. The speakers that were here were superb. They were world class. And the information that they had to give was so useful. It was absolutely brilliant. Thank you.
Today was a great conference. I managed to listen to so many wonderful speakers with so many wonderful ideas that I can actually introduce back into my organisation. Absolutely fantastic.
Some of the great learnings that came out of today at the ISMA conference was actually such a wide range of topics around mental health and very practical ideas, right from how to manage with humanity and artificial intelligence through to practical things around how do we manage our energy and fuel, how we sleep better, how we have conversations. And although I speak on this topic, I'm leaving with a lot more than just a handful of ideas and ways that I can not just do things better myself, but also broaden my community and so share resources from ISMA with the clients that I work with.
Today's been a very exciting day. We've covered so many things, so many different topics, and we've had experts, and these experts have actually shared so many personal stories with us as well, and that's been very beneficial even for my own professional development today.
The conference was actually the connection between people live. You know, I do the online stress summit, and now I was watching these people who will be watching me, and that is really, you know, what it's all about, is really to be connected with people and to be inspired mutually from them to us and from us to them. And you know, there's no better place than the conference at ISMA this year. It was really wonderful, really engaging. Thank you.
One of the speakers said that we are physical and we are mental, and so we need to pay attention to our mental health and safety as much as we do with our physical stuff and celebrate what's going on. So there were moments of celebration, there were moments of the how-to and what you can take back this weekend to change in your life and how you can share the word with others about how they can manage their stress, either individually or on a bigger scale within businesses or organisations. But yeah, there's a real momentum here and it's absolutely wonderful.